Yena Yedimu Kumawu TV.
Right, I was on for Young Makwaba and Fabra Sinupi on Kumawu television. And Ukiada. Na Ukiada. Na Yamu Makwaba Sonkokra Edeba Kumawu television. The program is Sinupi live on Kumawu TV, also live on YouTube and then Facebook. Ninano Kumawu TV. And then you January 12 days more to the Ghana's general election. And Okrano, that's what the politicians will tell you. Say, at 12 years, a cast electoral commission at the ballot papers and in the ballot box and in the offices, the various polling centers. Now, if you know, the Ghana for 2 or Madrimu, Aquadan, the Ewo Pipanoso. Now, Afi Etimi reflecting across the country, 275 MPs will be elected, and 1 president who will be supported by his vice president. NTNA, na yedi enkomo ewofia me the Michael Nana Adumakonse Mike together with the able team and the entrepreneur abakọ no nsia body enyamre na yedi Ghana ho nkomo ama oman no atumi atumpon. Now once again on my exclusive interview me wo Kumawu constituency Oba Ashanti regional about 5 constituencies and a very hot independent for a contest here independent 23 in Ashanti region by emu 5 and a day pa in the amount for her ni mu say nsesaye ebetumi aba surprises be ebetumi akoso na one of the areas and our constituencies no seche Kumawu enyagro ewodin pa ura bi afre no kedua kwakudua bi akwatra brocha bobra kama Kumawu a beka se sebi omo bobra pa no Kumawu no odimu akotre papa enyagro wasan so kra no asa kra no se kana nanom so a oben pa enei amafo Kumawu se da bi omo se da Kumawu si kwano a e se omo do no so eba bi no abehwe to se omo a na kofa no enye ono ade no koye Kumawu fo na se da bi ye de wo ba na wa de die nim mfe na akra nya hwe koprim puntu no fa bra na niema entimi enkoso enfama wo fia ebenya mre na ye di nkomo after which chairman Inusa Ashanti regional director Edema Hefra ofia and afi ofata regional communication team member of the NDC will also be in the house na afi enyamre so atwan kwotwe no so his excellency John Dramani Mahama oguso airborne toa ne running mate Jane na opoku agema professor also eguso airborne toa and afi Ghana mampani his excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo Adopremai enso eguso a obo entoa unifi onso and running mate Alhaji Dr. Mahamadu Baumia enso airborne toa menoka say Bridget Zokonu PPP onso ewa Ashanti region oguso airborne to bi ochena kra no na no edi nkomo kasa fidie so on presidential candidate Edema Progressive People's Party omo nyina amanyukwa wodo nyina no airborne toa including the parliamentary candidate said ebe ya omo betimi awi ni December 7th elections no na de omo kan edos pa company John Dramani Mahama ese oba contractor fo a aban demoka mu nyina obetua sika no edi amamo sanso ena Mahama say Angel Akufo Addo promised paradise but he has delivered hell. So say under no Akufo Addo obey company ba no some of kan to city pa na nyagro kra ba company da Mahama say eni Ghana say de ye kwa hini mu a ene ekọ Nyankopon ho a ba bia nka bonsamfo mo amanya papa no amombre mo bekoro no ho na sese Ghana ejina enyenyenyenyenyenyenye ebenyamre na ye de ho enkom opinion polls aba de project his excellence Nana Akufo Addo say o win by 52.6% vote and also nkomo e wa ha eni Samina Baumia enso egusu a obontoa ba sentiment egusu bontoa chief of staff enso sentiment mu a omnyina no ebo entoa nkomo no de doso na Chief Justice Ashe was say after elections 17 months be aba within 42 days court batenase Supreme Court batenase na omo aye bibia fe there some dey eba into the one we ni o presidential on the court no 42 days ebeka parliamentary so se jintimu nsan so a onso de kwa 42 days ebeka wasem we the Chief Justice ne Supreme Court nso so etumi de aba na say nipa dom ena omo kita omo ese omo entimi eni en DCHB wa omo jai akodi NPP achi owura George Asedu Nkatua enchai ena ese lembele kwanhia bi esi ho ema NDC supporters 23 omo ho akokọ adware ba ku ye eni akọ ho a oni omo nso no akodi nkomo akọ ese omo situation no esi etie na special voting 17,000 Ghanaians omo security agencies ni ade omo kaka ho satwafo ye ka ho bi no yayin na nyame admon the 1st of December ye kwakoto aba na first ye kwache de be mampani parliamentary candidate ye kwache mampani for first nyame admon 1st of December na ewia mo so ma be de aka no atumi ede aka ho ye nyam ready de nkom ye ntwe ho mra ye ba kedua eye Kumawu constituency independent candidate ofia ha ye nyam re na afi ye no edi enkom waje nche no 0202 668464 0202 668464 live on Kumawu TV, live on Facebook and YouTube. Kumawu TV. Yabasisia.
I'm not from Mobile some Jimre, Nasa, Remo Hemi, a Kianji by any the time about Mesha, the Abedamaso, now my refuge and a how not to me any D, Dana Dana, I am Reon, but my dinner no time about Mesha Ibi, Bora Drast about your pharmacy show be I'll say, over time about Mesha, now when you be a beat me up wow, you okay and Jane about castles, a draw on no matter one and come one in Yan or Ding a strong they sent down. Na aboa mo tumi edi yare so na wonya ke enji haba kapso bi ene time haba me shan na wokabo na no dia no kwasen sene sewani na ensese e ka kiro to make am fosa inu emi e dia maw so bi bera mo nwa transport haba to family show e bi e tun do ya kwa so be ke enji haba kapso ene time haba me sha so for number 0244 417 669 e be da tie phone na do phone na so munya da je na mo hwe me din de Dr. Kennedy Usu Agyeman me do bi bia as
if I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brad, and not so beautiful. Ah,
not tell me, Michelle, see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brad, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and you're the about ever so.
Really, no, this is offending now.
Brad, and because I made the time about Misha one dance here, we are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn the time about Misha.
And you go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn the time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The woman for down for any aquada when you do me, and son of the total about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba a woman. Ever trouble.
FDA ashe edwadie nkwatso yi mo age atomo se eye.
Well, our Pia, you say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We now fuck all women and say, I want to offer and say, no more my drama. We know it. Now, in fact, I'm going to take man on my way. I'm good,
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, or Bracken to Yao. Seven now my uncle and Yasha Dion. The Penia Mammy. Seven number Padak. Look, Marcia. Namma, Chini, someone that's why. We need problem cry. Who made this some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do you be next time? Goes to a casket shop. I will massy labor hire. Me call one man. And almost any years can't say you. You would have been Jawano. Missy Kaya demand as a family. This shop, I've been yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Amped, everybody done no and come. Ambulance, and the down, only ambulance service, into the problem cry. And now, you hear me say, openness to take a crab with the outwas here. You know, so come stay by Plano. You couldn't put it out. Someone who's when casket shops here, you will not come every day. To send you moving now. Who's when casket shop, you will come and say, in front of the town, you didn't labor office in the bank. Who's when casket shop, and we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets. surprise o. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrel. Who said that will complain with Sissini Cocoa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrel. Winning a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you Edusa herbal capsules. And your cocoa necessary drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Roxnasi. Na men serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma memme jina brani. Na eyeme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wase se me brabo we.
Sweetie, me come on mama adwa mo.
Hey. What does ye aye juma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What can keep Yada.
Edusa Dre. Obie timinumbi. I just a pin for. One woman kwadano for. Any the onion fear do me.
FD. Ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
mensienye dia nanka malaria ye me pasa
ada mutu mi muame
ndesne oyi
mama menye dru oye
ye friend nye dia herbal mixture eye malaria do papa so wo ko hospital na hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moje mu a ko penye dia herbal mixture ebe su malaria nyina wonu mu ato a nyanya dia herbal mixture wonu mu beyo kama na wo bididi be batama
mama
si wa wari si ho
tia
no bi so mama
na mama ba ko pe na ode mama
ko herbal shop dodo name nsabeka bi
me de begia wari na nkasa nye dia herbal mixture
dia ye dro
ebusiafo ma me kan yampa hwederi a me kuno wo si bi hwehwe aduane no hwehwe nye dia herbal mixture na wanom ede ama me abofra wonni mfi edumie no ana opemfo entumi mfa se edure nye dia herbal mixture bro aduane
ade ya hwehwe edwadie yi nkrato agye atum se eye
ade na so hu mi a wo de bibi osie
enye dro ni edro ni esayade Axco herbal capsules team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe eyi ni nyina afri ho
me wura mi anye bai me nso metimi anom Axco herbal capsule him
betimi anom bedodo na woni XP herbal capsule eno na ma me sisi yade ni nyina afri me so ama me ho ato me
XP herbal capsule hina na ni jaba nso di bibi asio XF herbal capsule e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia chia na ebi chia kan ho me sisi ndi aka ho XP herbal capsule ebe bo ma usisi na ye kama
tu pass say one no mama ho ato
ozo de hwe me hey XP
Right, Yansa Makwaba and Famra Sinopi on Kumawood TV, Bojaye, and ye Bojaye, and this is for my gun. Ubia, I say, ya saw the form and need the form, ya bomb pions about one, a bayasum dream or how near many biano, it's me in Frimumba. You need a honso pa, ye Makwaimu Biansum, still be some the cheek or bra man for Kotwaba, and no dear, Ihua, Yebeka, and they constituency, independent candidates, Kokudia. Bema akwaba wani ba bibia bako de ba still na no ensure say your campaign no
sound as a campaign ntokwa campaign ideas
okay
we kasane ni peti wo yeah na wo mani pani da so
okay
na wo mu didi enso say de wo kan obetimi ayo so na meteno
and the campaign
yes say obetimi ayo ya catch the way bi pen
do betimi aye no
ye kasa o betimi aye
yeah
ye catch the obi a way bi
okay ko onye bi pen ya ntumi so betimi aye
sanity
o ba bi won so se mon so menhwe
so no nko say o ya MP a wako 2 times na so o de mo ma me call last one na afi na mo be hu pa se me deliver ye catch akoda okay ena me kwa me manso ye kan nkwantia so o ya MP na so mo ma me call me last one o ko last one na dia be e ho na afi ni wo be dwi ni nyina dia akokra yin hu gra enkani o kana nutum ho kra nke na 2 times ye hu hwe DC CCS ye hu hwe na so mo san so me hwe last one Oh, come back.
We MP be ho asem na opeso kan.
Ata baswa.
Ata
baswa.
Ona bo fele baswa.
Aye.
Oh, what ata on.
Oh, ata bio.
Osan de bio.
Ata bio ni din no. O sasa na efe ata bio.
Oh, okay. Ni fie din ata bio.
Ne
political name ya Philip Atabaswa.
Ono so ni ba mi no.
Oso woni mu.
Oso ni say that ni because my contract will take 30 years.
Asa obakuma wu so adan okuma wu obi abon homode ba won so obobra okuma wu.
Nso ma bom homode.
Obobra pa.
Se makuma wo. Makuma.
Ko adan na osi ni kuma wu no. Obobra.
Onyame asem se. Onipa bia oja pade wo no. Eho na wakuma wo.
Okay.
Endo ya me kasa asimu ya. Ona bo ta Philip Baswa wo se on ti ase. Oni eja pade okuma constituency mu nyina. Nye kuma okuru bia no. Constituency mu nyina. Oni eja pade wo. Nso nyese oni ajapade o wo ajapade bebre na nkemu ba kumpo onye ne kumawu ne nhwe ho ne nka se oh ye bai wa hye ya ni monyam ye ba no no ye ne wo no tabaso a
okay
yes ndi nka se wa hye ya ni monyam ajapade we nti
are you there for saying
obi nam kumawu no pagya nani no hu mi fi a me papa on the first person am den ko fi ho mi papa ne sama hin
okay
mo sama hin
okay
ni ko ye o se awere wa se ye ni munyam no bompa ye ma no hira me de afa no no
insha no ka say that you be DMP
oh and one can say I can say
are you therefore saying say honorable Philip Baswa any efia ebia oba otimu wo kumawu
otin ni brother fi the brother pani wanya ndadiko bi ne nsa mi fi na oti
so na we need small business bia so ho ai bia mabru be 2-3 benya bia
business bia enso me kan ko hwe ne poultry farm uko yakwe a kono yakwe poultry farm kakraka mi nka se wo ye MP wuntimi nya japade wo other places o so na yes ana me kire mi o hwe mo japade won kran ebi okumase wo ti ase ebi wo abrochire nanso my ebi o mi krom
okay
ani pa bitimi ni sa so say kwakudua na japade
amakodo kwa banyam
ende so na me kire no enye ne kesi ana ne ketwa na mo ye bibi mama fo mu se wo so wakoma eda mansin no so it is a MP 6 years as DC 8 years as MP don't mean fan some point ade ba ko se majapade amaye ne mansin ni mu ni adwuma ketwa bi amabie e wo mansin ni mu a ebabunu betimi ahwe so anya adwuma ya na kuma ni ho onyame asem na ehye ne ma onyame asem se ba bi oni pa ajapade wo e ho na wakoma wo ene ekokan na ekokan was mini ajapade wo ba bi a God catches the wise in their own craftiness so ti ase aden what this infiansia MP infien wotwe now so kase woni ajapade wo ba bi a who are you kidding here yen kase nya ajapade so kase oni ajapade so ba bi a no wasokane a e de ahyekodo ase onyame asanse yen sokane amfa nhyekodo ase ye de sikane adua so na hu abamfaso ahyerama wo na oyeden wo ni nyina dua adwuma na wo mo twa nwanhia ni nya binye ehu manfaso so ti ase ye kase obi adwuma nye ye kase obi adwuma onkrofo kroso nye na mom ye bi e wo ba bi a sabi eho ena mansa ko ano no se wudi MP na nya hwimfim dia o kwadi MP na yeden ye kase wunya bibi mfim na mom ye bibi na kyerese wo so wo mansin no hodo de kanyina no
but oti hoyi o sha ase o sin krofo ene odi nkomo o se manfo na be fa wo se bra na omo ehia ne ade san krofo na omo ba wo nchen se bra no ene wonu omo kọ communities no mu a se no mu se je o
enkura na ebom chidom o
youth
na ebom chidom ene mpanifo nso agi asem na tum afi efrase e kasa wo ho no eni pa frase hu se nsem ameka na ye no kretro do so na beje no dia me beye ani dia wo senke yen saka ni yen sankan ye no sei sentintan bi na woni pani so a ye yin tintan na free so na na do bodwuma na na do dan kwa kufu ado o bodwuma wo soro ho ese se so konkrofo akro so a hu se e reflect se na na do o ye adwuma
abuja mo amor he no bo se videos bi enam background we ye ebra na work independent candidate kwakudua eye work no
se wo ba kumawu a ehwo na wo so wo behwe nnwuma ekoso on the ground na dia assess odi evaluate na na do adwuma ya kani obaka se na do amon ho modin
na do bo adwuma but so ba kumawu a
wo ba kumawu a
me ba kumawu ade me hu ye 17 years ago me se hu ye na kumawu kwan
17 years ago sesen
na me wo ho
as what
na me wo ho as a student na enei me sa kumawu no kwan de me hu the difference I work from refugee to kumawu me hu sa for abeka ho
entity
o se ne
nti some na
ba me hu se ya guso
say atete pansam
no na ade a me hu ma ye bet me nim ade foforo bia bio but the point is exactly what are you telling the people you hear no answer
they be catch ni pa nyina ne say so obi besi usu anko be shoma DC influencia MP fie nwotwe onye hwe existing structures na ho no air crumble school dan ono akra okomu anka middle school ukohwe osesi a woni ubesu veranda tiagu roof a cabin yet onamo a okoba enya nasem twinbo kodua na okọ school kodo kohwe kwan no so akọ na nsin a ubesu ndiben kan send 17 years enti no enye sa na sisi atutu ahebasa ayen ngwase you fit kwan nyina say you can assess them nyina say so ya say MP nyakwan sa ontwe no ho na me chere say MP bit me yakwan so na me chere no
wa be yakwan
me yakwan ade na me yakwan ade na anu ada swami kohwe ekwan eguzo omoye ko deso kokonongo ko agogo ko ayi ofren say dwabi ene de keka ho nanu ada MP a ofri krofu froso apia kubi honorable apia kubi
okay
onu na di barima safu chubo kodu anim ene kumawu DC anim ekoko pre ekwan emeyama 10 kilometers aka de ne ya wo ne nu 2 kilometers
asoma okay serious
serious no record no ha etimi dia chew
and the apia kubi ono na edi kumawu man hene
esa odo wo makumawu
ene miami nua ajekum anim
yes
ede akọ pre
ene okoko sere bi man
na mo mpini o
ni ampi asem no omo number
kada bi ana
ne brofo a mo se ma men kan brofo no men kan brofo na me kan krofo beti ase yi oya incompetent wudi djuma di ase obi nsa se wonye no ntimi nye nse ne oso oye no they kind of brofo sing incompetent and that's why sanity pepe
but among for so kumawu etitri for mo te so no a bi so be contest in the primaries obi te say CEO Hefra Dr. Philip Bano ahomekani say and then one lawyer say
yes
omo nyina ba here no kumawu for kire say omo DC omo former DC eno mo MP no ono wa no mo pe no
na bi nye kumofo ne kan afa ne kumofo me kasa
no mo kan no mo mfiri kumawu
delegates no omo dwunu we ho selfishness when enim se kumawu se atete apansa aden na mo koyi obi a wakọ 2 times na ontimi produce ye ni nyansa mu no onim se o fa delegates ni che ne botomu a wo mo ne be sad na ko na kumawu so de yesi ba bi osunu gina ho na ne bagina ntino wa modwuma kra na mofu isan say ye MPP stronghold ndi ye be na sanko endi oto delegates no na delegates no eto eyi no na ye mpa bo say yewura ho kalinze ana say yewura osei ana yewura ba no mu ba ko nka wo mu benya nka nyesa meti yi kasa bre mi ko ma fom bi kra nka ma ba ana biam na nkwanso ameba so na me kire no na we dey ankoba ne sa eno na youth no ehu say the only option left in say obi begina say quantum crawl no contest no waje and say who predie na kumawu for no hwehwe de a December 7th ebo 8:39 and two no mo video no sa na declare wi na beti say unya take say independent candidate or the kwa e just kwa kudu amena me kro no na sanso pepepe ne beba de nipa no ahihye wasase so no enu na nyankopon so asanhye no so
uko nkro no a o ba bi a as a support ne ni ho sa
bia ni wa support ni ho eye massive
no omo nyina so ne sen
omo nyina so ne se ye pempunto ye peyedie embaguru si ye padwuma ye embaguru si ye nya police bi a ye beko ye nya soldier bi e beko immigration customs kofi yas ko hwe omo photo bubo ofefefe
afijase
ko hwe nkola nko e do mako police ni soldier services ni
Dr. You
yes ko gabi ko hwe minam na ekwan ho na nkola yi omo cheche na ye body om si ye na msi wen ma om se oma pass out me se dey na face kuma constituency here dey way every bro wam kosi kuma wuni ni cross here you can count by these fingers so that obejja ko wa say ma fam kra ni obran wam okojja bran wam ma say enya anko no sem fafiri ma fabi wa obekom so no nipa no nya delegate a we delegate ba
right abusha yeguso edin komo ewa kumawo constituency eho na yedin komo nyame adwa December 7th we be ka say na kumawo independent ne NPP nko na contest na Philibaso but then NDC for so but the race no imo aye den pa no ura kwakudua independent candidate and afi honorable Philip Ata Basoa honorable Komprino na imprensa so na nyame adoma oba be kuri na o chiri mu se na dwumadi no modern bono form enso ani fajo nchane bra on 0202668464 we screen and everyone said numbers no ego fa na fajo nchane bra me ne ura kwakudua independent candidate ewo Kumawu constituency na yedi enkobo afi yensan emra exactly waka kwan kwan ye o mention about one school bia o say ebuagum but then what are the major challenges ewo Kumawu a eno na ehye wu nkuran se ewo se wa bejo mu free
akwan ye menko obio schools Kumawu nkuran constituency abetrama wuntimi more first degree this all travel outside the constituency university back Grenio.
Oh, I say university in any district here.
Mistake more constituency. Constituency ni na. Some constituency bi ni.
I just so cry.
I cry understand say and
just ni bi.
Man pon wo miensa. Agogo obi.
If you just ni bi.
E na me kan say. Man pon wo miensa. Agogo obi. Ade na ko ezi nya bi. Ye prim first school bi kan ho.
Okay.
Ye the dom and a chichiri kro. E bre nipa dodo ba kro mu no. Na kro no pija. Wo toju, wo tonye ma ye to. Wo die kua ye to. Bibia wo ye bia driver fo djuma koso. So ti ase. Enti bibia de dom beba kro no mu no. E wo so obomodi se, wo be mu oni akun na be ye ho djuma na de aba. Enti schools e de ne dom nam. Tourism e de ne dom nam. Me say ye be pija tourism mu. So na me tell no. Now your challenges ni bi ni saying. And the 21st century. Uko Kumawu constituency mu a. Enkro bebre o ho toilet facility omunibi toilet facility omunibi
I think the last time back Kumawu na ebi mo ka so mo ne mema nyina no
omuye
ko ebi ka so mo ko
na ya fele dia intimi kan kese so ane na wo se kobasa ma shebo na nye bo shebro yen so se utimi peja 32 million e ma delegate baako na we fi se wo ka delegates 10 bi ebomu a utimi di si toilet we refi said delegates no 32 million no come inside the ebomu utimi dey sesi school da na wa ko mu bi no utimi dey sesi we refi said ba bia wo mu ni nsuo no wo ka num die ebomu delegates 32 million no wo ka num die ebomu utimi dey tu nsuo e de ma wo so ne mi tell enti o se yenya toilet facilities e be so obi aso o wo ba krom na se kromani wo timi ko bisa kromani se pepa chom pe ba bia kwa hu ye na okromani ni jina o kachen se pepa chom nso ye wo ho na nza so no ba bia du na nye efere
how from you na
yes was it
edu sa okromani ho
o timi kan jo won se pepa chom ji se fa bush then me you
but toilet there 1 million per constituency uba Central region kwade ha na middle belt enti mi nua Vincent mona ehweso toilet dey some monya bi na e bia enyanya enough dey better still na monya bi 1 million mu howe
eni na me kaze asem we mi busa yewura Philibaso
okay
o ma me answer yet afi odi asem na kokodu court enzo ebeboa ebe ma answer na free court dem waba am obi ati
court say
$1 million per constituency and san aban no be catch us be $1 million yes what they show them also presenting projects with the $1 million na eden ekoye yes mo ye kanyina ne say for the past 3 years aban ma $3 million first year second year third year the first year in office in one farmer from the second year third and fourth year we are just yen saka 3 million second year no aye million no di kan no projects ben na present ma aban no o me yen e was yen because we dey present on our behalf now we presenting projects no enti me yen projects are presenting ma aban gitumu ana wanya ntum contractor ben and our do some projects in the man monitoring and evaluation office ben and a ubie during your absence no omo say enuma no ekoso ana enkoso
okay
they are supposed to be on the government payroll aban betua sankofoika
oh I know one of them monitoring and evaluation workers or more district
district yeah,
meaning back, meaning be.
You should be transparent about these things. No, me who, nay, so. Yeah, dear, yeah, dream home. Say, was in your son, your mawino. You have any correct. Say, project no, and any ho. Second part, no, projects ben or present here.
Okay.
And also, Omeyu. And then the third part, projects ben or present.
Also, we democrat assembly crammers, I make information.
Me patcho yen sankai. Me mum de me hui. What do I say? Na yen sankan ewo eye MP no na saska we fa no so enti oso ma ehu onye na available ni ehu ye kaka we a wo se won ti ase
eno na
kokot
1 million na abusa ho asam no na MP do kokot
e kan ho
ndi ba kokot da ben
oh court date ko nyanse
ba wo se NDC for na se wase
wono enti me so ma kanta su no enti ba bi ko hu se NDC for na atomic car mami auto me machines amami o mama mi sika mi di move me campaign no on be ba betre they on record omu jina platform so kasa ni nyina omu ka ni nyina insem bebre no maka anything we dey onu na bie do no ato intimism fam
I was reading komo aha eya Kumawu TV program no eya Sinopi kwaje nkyere 0206 8462 ode ba ebinyamre na yakenkan etimi ede ama mene kwakudia independent candidate ewo Kumawu constituency no edi enkomo say hi good evening watching you live from Nkranza. I once schooled at Kumawu and when I was coming for my results, in fact it was terrible. I did not see any improvement since I left the school. I think the leadership has failed. Okay, the Abba and say I'm KG boy from Kumawu Bodumase Kumawu Bodumase. In fact, Honorable Kwakudia deserves to be a member of parliament for such a Kumawu constituency because he has a vision to help the entire constituency. KD Mpuntu Enie. Hi, Mike. Congratulations for your good work done. Please kindly tell him to exercise patience so that the next 4 years he can contest for the NPP. Well, my name say no we odru batias here dia hono batias here na we odru dia atraho
Ebeka na otwe a family at all.
Oh, but you be quiet a day before correct me. Even that day no correct me catch am for so go be.
You wan kan intem. Me kan ye mpa de nkan ka say on kan kire ewura ba so say. Be ma be ye bi o me ni nyina. Enfie nsia DC, enfie ngotwe MP. Na ye tibia na ye bobire mu ni dia. Ye ewura na say nsan fa na nkan ho na nko ye den. Ase bisa na no no. Enan no wo je dia ko ye den. Okura magic one bi a obeye ni say ama bibi asesa. And I say, young famano,
for more.
To do what? To do more of what? More of distraction. Because ni term no in office no. You who the way into to do more of what?
But career, I'm also case benefit be say more na mo case okwati say tikase where we adua. Enya de ketwa o. Being a member of parliament na nya easy sa o nti ase bia wonya nkomu no be kan bia beto be komu no na wo enya na say de opese ko ofonya ni.
$1 million. and Shaminsem. No more share a dear $1 million a bit me. And then I'm transiting and say, oh, I don't need 4 years to turn around the economy of Kumawu. I need only 3 years.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Do you want to
$3 million I found some for this past 3 years. Now you're Tibiani Bobby Munia. Ah, what's me Musa was a mebuza. Now, some ministers can farm in some more. It's some look dear. Any more pepper me was some of the best men's in it. Me no can say, out of my own voluntary will, me training vocational skills. Almost yesterday, shower gel, almost year liquid soap, almost year key soap near day. Throughout Brown adequate money in crossing in a friend of Busa, I'm about almost 2 months or Musia. This is about empowerment. Me and me bottoms gown, I'm the actual. It is a Mieska way, and me bomb get take a crack. Who so be better than the session down from
now? We MP.
Who so be a bit better now? I'm a Castle Mr. Mammy 5 cities. Yes, I mean,
so the assembly quit me, be MP.
Well, and I'm Guso Amayano. And I'm Guso Amayano. So I'm a channel. Waiting and Mabunu who said, I was so mobile one on best, I'm sorry. Mammy Majo, and free some portrait. It's as a yasam, I am you sem. Or be anyone more baby more constituents more on Cheshire. Culture shock. Because Oban want it to say, Ube hook me, what did you know?
So you can't say,
what you say, if you just said draw, Gabier draw, a Driswood draw, Mampoint draw, Kumasia draw, Kumasi, and Nikmo near Botipen.
Our history.
Yes, and Pavo. Then I said, you Kumasia could do not read you Kumowana.
But what do you blame the member of parliament? Because in the constituency are chiefs. There are other at the assembly and then the member of parliament. And together with Mua, Mambo Bra, Makotana Buche, the diasporans near Dinano, and I'm a developer the constituency. And you said, Kumu and Min Tumpon. Why do you blame the member of parliament?
What is your uncle, a quajani? What is your uncle, a quajani? Wona national pie na yedi ye mpuntu nyuma no wona wote hu na wokopre na waje di aba wote ase ko ada constituency no na busa se den adan untumi tv o si mpanifo obi amekere na mehwe se ne MPC ahodo yi mayi kwan we ni etwa ne mfoni mayi kwan we masi clinic we masi toilet we ni nyina completed iye we Otunfo, he is the epitome of wisdom. What's so perceive to Oswa Ba? Men can say, dear me, Yeni, and I dear me, baby Yeni. Can dear why? You had enough time, say, in the projects here. Oh, no, I don't Zakano. Wait me. Find some project back, Obia Minino. Then Fiango Chini, and you're completed. Now, who's ever told about no court, not the Bibica crack or Chip compound, what do you say? Omo pa nua kama papa bi adua papa bi si na fuom ema omo pa ye se oh abai ba me clinic eye pa ene medua na me de che mu me pa ni emfa nko bodan no so na omo akọ pa nua no bodua asem na me kan frɛ bodua ase ne busa na nua no gu ho no se ye den yo na omo akọ sesa firi ho foin wanya bibi amo ase asa ja bodo kro no omo sesa ko omde kohin na baabi bi dia ye ready and omde ko boss o se dia dia afi na anu ye start ye hu dede kakra no o ma sa di nua foforo bi go adenti na we nza an se nua ba ko no ne ni baabi e de begu ne de ba se de begu fom ye se ye de be bodan no so adam man for modan no
right you didn't come on Kumawu honorable Jansa, did I hear the honorable member right that the chief, the DC and other MP not from the constituency went to the president to plead for roads? Sir Mike, please do your investigations. Well, I say it is time to vote incompetent and selfish NPP parliamentary candidates out now. Kwakudia, aka Ofuribeti. And I'm going to say, okay. Keep on from teacher, great brother. yaw boho Kumasi ena ode free ode aba was it I'm Esther J from Kumewu Bodua say we need Kedua to come and develop such a Kumewu constituency because our NP don't think about the entire constituency. He only think about the delegates. Okay. We say we the youth in Kumewu is tired of Honorable Basua. No development in the constituency. No Kwekudia, no votes. I'm Collins. That they say. I say I'm from Bodua say all what Kwekudia is saying is true. Basua is not performing at all. Right. What Mr. Dua is saying is true. My MP, Dr. Nana Ayew Afriye, has been doing good in Efijase Asokore constituency from Ata Yaw Efijase and Ode Efria Ode Abba. Okay, Sam confirming the work of their members of parliament. Right. Now Ode Bibi Cheme. My main here because people want me to confirm, and indeed I'll confirm. I've seen a picture of Berema, right? Berema Safo Tribu Akudia, and Afi Miamini Okuma DC, and is it Usua Dumi? Usua Dumi, and Afi Andy. Oh, na say Biana Omoko office on Mukusia, member of parliament, no new picture.
Okay, there's a story behind it. I don't want to
okay, I'll find out. I promise my viewers, I'll find out from the DCE. Say one Konongo member of parliament and Avi Kumauma Hene Berema Safo Tribu Akudia ako pre Aquine Eddie Bakumawu without the involvement of the MP and Ejaku me interrupt you in 4 or 5 minutes. Speak to the people of Kumawu before answer maybe before nice.
Yo. Min yanom ne madofo amuwo Kumawu mansen nyina fribranwam because Kumawu ne nkrase me fasa akwanya so na madam ase semo bom chidom abedu sabri aka na otwe ne fa ne yakwakoto aba sei de yetete ene de ebi mo keka ne se mutuma yenyo mo anto ama yenyo abane yesi ebewini enye ko akudua ne nkofo na ekasa ne mum obi fu from na ekasa ya meka nyina ne se tumi a Ghana ban e de amayen se obi anto aba onfa ne kopromoti enkyere onipa a opese wondi won anim no emno na so se ye koye mum ye nyina ni na ho ye mo ya ballot no ho ban ekro biara akra biara ye nyina wotumi no mako muara nkasa mumfa muhusiwo samo bo ballot no ho ban munche mu mienu miensa wenu begina wo hwe na wenu aba na mo ba relieve wo mo na before from so aba mo nya ne sa kopem se ye bewie ni ye bekan ye nkan ba no kra nwie ya enkobose mo mo ni na ho ye de kata sha onsem na yinki bia wo ba bia wo ho kwan sa de ma awura ne ka kire ne se ana ba ma ne ka kire ne se inki ye wo hanti mempe mam foforo ukoto aba no na uwie na hu se nye nipa a wo hwehwe se nka beto aba na ma no e na wo de ama na wo ho kwan se ebra wo nyamfa nkosha adaka nim no wo sa de koma de o te kata no se je na ma me foforo esan se nyini pa me to aba na ma no e na ma to aba no na munyinara munimra so se tiam se munyina akira mu de munyina akiri na so obi biara a wonde wo so wo bema na obefiri ni krom ana obefiri ba bi foforo na wo so obeba na yen die sie ni so se ye beye ye dia atusu ye leader no wo so obeba be fa kwan boni bi so so de beba be se ne dia ye ma ho kwan ye be ma mlanso ni na di no kete maji yisi anumu nsem atum so obi be fa ballot box kra na e mata se ye be sa ato abado foforo enye ntokwa amanyo sem ebetu kro amanyo sem ebetu yabusuya muma ye mfa amanyo sem we ho amie nkoko he ya tititi ye ho akeka keka ye ho a mamuma ye memene ye ho de e kanyina ne se e ya dwen kire foforo ye wura ba so a waye di obetimi ye menambo tema be bi wa me ni nyina emere nso ye ni nkaso nti ye wura ba so o metranche ne kwakudu am nso adwun foforo am de aba no me mfa nkɔ ye nhwɛ se be yi a obufuo ni se obewi abo ni ti a nkɔhwɛ ku ni yie enti bi sremo mi nuanom ye nka no krɛ ni ye nyina nyintu mpreko pɛ esan se ye nyina atuani eni ye nyina nim de ekoso anim guase aka kuma o mansin no ye mfa mpuntuo so mfa meyi firi ho enti mi sremo wa wi so obewi aba mu de mi sremo nya adwen sa kyerɛ kwansa ndanda na so esan se de besi no ebi ana nkofa yie mi sremo ye nyina fa adwen fan obi an fa nko kyerɛ nipa opese odi anim na no sese ewu ati ase ene se ne mosi abo mechi doma bedru yi no onyame ba me nyina ahoden ani nyansa na inshisha hudu am de agu akwan mu no se betimi aba mu yisa mo soma me mrase bedwam na me nso me hya bobɔ se me di no kredie ene osompa ene besomo me gitum prako pese me dachi akuntabuo ene mabrabo a me bo se ye Kristo sumu se ye Muslim sumu se ye Hindu sumu se ye osumbi awo mu no ye nyina gitum preko pese wo dachi akuntabuo a wo bebu no ene wabrabo a wo bo kwakudu am gitum preko pe enu nti minim se from day one empobra mi nko obresha bedwom no afiri mi mapase mato jesi ene ball ama kro biara ne akura biara mumfra se yemfa mo ball yemfa ni agro unity games sana mitudi mum yemfa ni agro ne yemfa nkeke ehumom amanyo sem yentokwa eya adwenkyere mu enam se nka ne mbe adwen dia nka bom jigdom na mi nkojina mo na mu e wo mrahye bedwam we no nyentokwa o ne mu kokudua munso mu ma me kwana me mesom na mo hwɛ sɛ mo asuonsuo sɛ mo swansa obehu de mo otro onyame onka nyina ho
right onyame so enka ho aha ye kuma wo TV the program is still pie nyamre na ye di nkomo ye ne kedua kuma wo constituency won obutuo independent candidate. I think today will be the last time you know di nkomo on his ambition to become a member of parliament e wo kuma wo constituency for this 2020. The best handle di nkomo bi wa na ebi ato aba na wie na ebi a obeda ase say na meka che DC wa ha no be kwa DC no ebi na obeda ase e wa ha ana ase oba me ahoro no ye di no ho few e wa ha but is our wish say say di ono no epe no nyankopon ankasa e na nanom ni nachi na emre me be ahoma na tum obetimi afre na ya je wadwe nche no on 0202 668461 0202 668462 ofra be fa oba na ama otiri volume no akofom na yatumi ati wonka yepa ewo aha estate bomodin na oba ma yentimi volume no enkofom na yentimi enti wonka eye aha Kuma TV program no Sinopi 0202 6684 61 6684 62 hello, good evening. Okay, obetumi abam ejaku enti so far wa we campaign na wakwa na adia obera apo apa be ka say hello so okay enkomra hello, good evening.
Good evening, but now what is it?
Already adom what they ache odi na be aframe free.
I'm going to to free as
minti o enaba
o so me ga free as
abana minti o
the problem of na mission for because some of no na de ba ko ha me pa nze MPP party no omunu se ye pa party no angasa na so MPP for no mo ai e be sampa se system mo wufu ase mo system pa na papa no te ono ne gasa ne a fama wo no o de bok mo man mo system pa ya dem babon na taraji da bia ye se so ase na to aba no fia no to man na no man ko ya tukia no bia o ko ase o to aba da was for na mission
okay yes you da ase mo am frɛ si WhatsApp line so mo chew mo hwɛ de good screen ne sisi ana mo frɛ emfa no so. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, our friend.
My name is Chuka.
Chuka, friend.
But as every Tapa.
Mintio.
Tapa.
Yentio.
Honorable Sabia, or Cadet. But to be a no.
Okay, I think it's Takwanino. To
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
But I make a few Kumasi a boho.
Okay, Mintio. Abani Kasa.
Yada, Openino as a pa for Kudia. Oh, a blue bra, a sese, that are we incompetent. Any service, and you go to out. Now, who say, you be a day, a war. My fan say, we are MPP. So, but I need yes, so I had to have a next of them. Now, MP, 8 years, what did he see? A single room, crowd, I'm but one more. That is, I was a president of Apamano. Oh, I was a be crowded. You could do a gun, a baby, and I don't want a matimida. Oh, yada came as a farmer and message you back.
Right.
Ofability.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now see. Hello, good evening.
Fine evening.
Good evening,
yeah, Miss Free, as you
okay.
I papa, I'm a maniac in the whole papa, you. They were just one year, they make up. Miss Afano, so 4 5 on the baby. Because here, Sherman, baby, they have been out in South and you could do my farm work for my dear. Over trauma. Now, the quarter way to work at
okay, yes, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Abani Majo.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, friend free.
Yeah. Hello.
Abani, good evening, free.
Good evening, Mr. Kumasi.
Okay, yentio.
Yeah, so me kasafu Kumasi. Papa no many didn't hope. Na my age more for audience. Na we call upon 4 years to know who no. See the scene. We who say eti mesusu me was to say yemfa abanu famano.
Okay.
No ko untu famla kumumai.
All right.
Na onko ma mi di no to fufuo le na ko hono ko ya campaign no. Kumumai nyina didi wo ho.
Okay.
Obenya aba no.
Fufuo
ya campaign no fa ho.
Okay. Yeah, I see. Fufuo no wada so ho. Okay. Hello, good evening. Our TV volume and conform, and yes, I ain't mean to unka. TV volume and conform. Good evening.
Me pastor na mo ya de.
Ori adum ya ho ya pa. I won swear.
But come to the program na na ba to you.
I was so ohima.
Me pastor, the papa me to come na na yan so. Me practice na.
Okay.
You walk in na yan so. Don't you ko go. And I will walk on my no adi papa. Me pastor we see kwai and then you as a take quite well too. And you are going to. From 200 what make my independence. I didn't know your man. And about to continue of flow and mine only maybe. What you have to do
Oh, now some money we may pa. Fafa me. Ana one away. Well, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Ma TV lo nko form na me nti kan yi wadaroma ma TV lo nko form.
Okay.
Odi ya free.
Free Asante Achimagogo.
Minti Gagogo. Abone no etio. Utio ho TV no so ya na epoaye. Tio TV epoaye hello. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, you.
Like all kind of anything. If nobody, I think I was like, well, yes, I'm calling. Mamma, now.
Mamma, no afraid.
Yeah, we need your better.
Okay. Jina krama na afi. Yehwe. Yemfa two more course na Africa. Yes, it's you.
Listen, mama na now. Yawa me me ko ni de. Yatu.
Mama for do jina no enye. Ye meti ansa mama na asem oka no, mama no fit mawu. Kon ka de oka no. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Would you have free?
Look at it.
Okay, thank you.
Mama,
Okay. Remember a friend for this. Monfan pa. I'm say me face some few technical challenges. Want you ever mun see? Say, my man say the okay nyina no entro. But me colleague ne DC Okumo. We me senior ketwa bi. Yeah, I think a year. But the point, the fact of the matter is that me coach Makura secondary school. E kwa na me faso de kokuma wu no. If refugee asokore refugee ekro no. Enei me kokuma wu a e kwan no abi meka ho. Unless obi o he me fikuma wu betu approve me say me boa. Ntia no kwa no kan ye e na menimu di a metunya fon say no kre. Yaka bia de meni evidence bia bio. And then it has been a long time I went to TK. Nti menimu de hositi ade. But kuma wu kwan na de ketwa chechire bo e na hunu nyina adwudwa saa for more than 10 years no. Saa na tie e okuma wu. Hono kwa de ma me wo hwe me a. Hon de me hu bi. And America. I'm so being so called Mobia and so nim. But I'm not also endorsing say because of that, you know, Montuaba Infantia Philibaswa. I know the decision lies on you, the electorate, Mokumu, and I will be decided come December 7th. Bema?
Yeah, can you? Obi wa sabi, Kakrabia will be near Eddie Intino. No crow across one car. As on one, I'm saying, before when you saw a very abonitia. Sen ko hwe hu ni yi aboa ne ti no uyi nwoma na afiri hu no ya kanyere no bengo
asa nze ti no e debi wo mu mimi
wa nti wan hu ni yi ni ti no afi wo wi ne hu na enye yi nwoma na enye yi ade ne se wo empia na ni abrese wo pri bibia ba uhu okay ko wu water project ko fa free afram mu no it was initiated by MPP
okay
yewura yaba nom na initiative okay ena Dr. Adolfo Madawoma on beto aso ena inso no buy and what 3 phases phase 1 the basic kuma phase 2 e wose kosi dwoso na phase 3 e be fa free yoko e de kokosi banko na serve your environment ni nyina 2 and 3 no answer na project say omo be no na enhu sika bana ene atwa 2 and 3 no one prum na wo kobo akosere say the poncho 20 mo fam na isan se me manfo ni nsu se mai ko wole me chere if we be lobbying MPs ahodo a omudi ne ma chere bebebe no omo de oni ba se ba jombo bi okay no mti bi chere se matimi ayewe $1 million per constituency times 3 years $3 million and who adwuma e wo hin de ye busa no okay and who adwuma e wo hin okay ambulance is yo entimi ko fendi power feature the other day na me door to door campaign I'm do baby na lady be cancel. Na I some say or baby a walk ano. Nesan say car antimi nko baby a wote no. Yes a car kwan na ho. The nature I did not say can't be for so. And for that reason, just on man to the check. Didn't do ya, didn't be na car kwan one, pay car man. Didn't do hospital, not said or lose our friend.
Oh, come on, this.
Come on, who ya kwan nyina nye
streets no
ko banko ko hwe akwan nye fa ABA asakire wa bodwe ase akrochire akwan nyina nye the other day ne say MP awanya kwan no afede o mafa bobo ya eno o masa ayi gravel se dia agum eno o mdi twetua potholes
from the office of the
MP nya kwan say the MP o twetua potholes obize ya wure anim gosoro atra ma kwane nyina se cheze obeyewe na ngrofa ka se o MP ehunu no otuatu apontos ndi entoma no
ba kuma we dey twato no kuma we NPP stronghold de bi osugina no hwa na ne ba no nso egina ho
yetimi di akokohwe de ekosua e ma kokko butu so e ma ne pai ma ne yeye yetimi di dabu kosua Emma Coco, Manity Butuso, Emma Pie, double no many years.
So therefore,
met with Kwakudia, Quantum Crow, Ako Can, or Slow Papano, no more power in our flat Okumu. One hospital, and I come Remuno. 4 years, MPP.
Right, I was young and I am Kwakudia, age 9 independent, Okumu. So unfortunately, I ever have you near Trouble. Kidia, just a minute. You're chat na Minya.
Dem di twatwa nyan se me sewra de se omo nyina ho ban omo ya hoden ene nkwa na December 7th de ye ne omanfo no apede no enye ho enkofa kuntu asini bibia ni gududu bia dabi de me kan se so free Kumawu constituency no mu na susu se wakwan ye unso sem ye uti afisem ye wo clinic anazo wa pom din sem eye wo school sem ya he owura no de nka wo be ya no aye no monto ano so no nkonkoto na adwuma no so na so no mi ya adwen na de mi hunu bi na so hu se ya kwan asai atete apro ye school akrombo na so ye nya obi obesiesie ye nya obi obetimi di bia be ka ho ye nya obi so o ye innovative enough say obetimi hu say tourism alone can turn the fortunes of Kumawu constituency. Send me who no. Say, when him say, Mu Mugidie, say, met me a son, you are making Impomasha says me. And the Munina Mum Chidom. The infants at Chamber. Ball I have body and Timisha go, you play anone, you are Tabaswa, or Timisha go or 2 pound. You the free team no more, I didn't better touch line, Yanton train. Never ready player for front Ecosina 9. Intimacy they are dream for fro and a couple ball no. Near say, Kwakudia mean to me to go for fefe. Send ye of Jasia, Gabiashe, a Joshua, Konongwashe, Agogwashe, Mampoashe, Insutaseno. Kumawu give it me.
Kwakudia, independent candidates for Kumawu constituency and Motenica. Brother Abubi, say, nurse, right?
Yeah, I'm original
yeah, by profession. Well retired. He was a farmer.
Yes.
No too for the boss here.
Me no too for the boss here. Dagomba. Dabonzo Dabongo.
Na me adoma December 7th. Was say mon kai no na mon fa synonym. O your number saying?
Me your number 4. Asie ho.
Asie wa na ho.
Kente. Asie ho. Kente. Dese mi fra kente.
Ah okay. Nti mo kana asie ho a.
Kente.
Asie ho.
Kente.
I was say twa nwa ba ye ba cham hanenusa. Eno fata e wa ha ebenyamre na ya to aso ye ba this year
where the party day today hey mama hey I ever say
okay everybody or say TIME time heba awuso season 2 audition no assign abadiewo put your band na say what the 18 years ekwa who qualify say awuso audition obetimi abadie de here say wo sie na obeseki na watuake na wawuso na ye fe eno kwa ana ehia say your band na say obetimi ye we nyina and for what the trade bia for the trade ahojo ahojo this week time heba awoso season 2 audition no eba so ewo ahojo atinga junction Kumasi baby Kumawood TV wona awards pub ho pepe time heba awoso season 2 no yedi audition no eba Saturday eba ya ebeba so live yenyina yenhia mu ho na ampaya ebeja tumade achedie mebre wom di obedika no yedi ni ko Dubai empo sa wo pe Dubai no na sa wo pese ye ni sika de mawa ne katika ni na bom ne dia maw na se dia Dubai na na dia ye so de beto car na dia to so de besi fio so de be ya jubo so de be bia na dia ye dia beto so mieno no ye man 5,000 Ghana cedis and dia beto so miensa no ono so ye man 3,000 Ghana cedis and achedie bebre and we no na pepe 4 p.m. na contestants ni nyina are ready. Wey aye TIME time heba awoso season 2. For number na that screen is no. Ne pray is here 0243 174870 0243 174870. Or say ka the time awoso a nobody has to say shake your waist. Time heba awoso shake your waist. Awoso season 2. Ebeye butu. Sponsored by TIME. Time heba.
Had a party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say your body menya kona.
Yes. Kumawood Training Institute and San Juma Ahimfie asaka omo bio. O say fa na miensa pe fa be suansa no Juma na fa bo bra. Ment na ho na de bia no enkosre sika ewo obi ho. Wan kasa ye boss. Ye wan kasa waduma na wo so ye mfra boss ni bi. Enu ti na Kumawood TV4 edwene Ghana fo ho eno makofa Kumawood Training Institute Ediaba Sebra Nebesuansa no Juma na emwa yede enam yensen esuansa no Juma bi ti se bees making shampoo conditioner hair pomade with decide de akuafo adi spray omo no bae so no bra nebesua na emwa CCTV and multi-TV installations bioenzymes 3D epoxy biofield digester the friend of flash ya na ahye no sansa no Juma we nyina yede enam yensa pe ana de asi ho a yade ebe kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina
utifie ebi a wadwen bɛ yɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ den kra na matimi de nam yansa pɛ asua saa ansanodwuma we nyina mame kyerɛw ɔmo ba last month no ɔmo bɛdi adanse sɛ ampa ɔmo timi de nam yansa pɛ asua ansanodwuma bebree ɛno nti ba ne nyɛ sɛ wontimi nsua
ɛno nti yɛse fa 300 Ghana cedis pɛ na fa bɛsua saa ansanodwuma we nyina ɛba so on the 27th and 28th November ɛyɛ Friday Saturday and Sunday and nam yansa pɛ and yedi esi ho a yedi sua sansa no duma we nyina so ufra kire na eba ba bia obeda eye free eno to we de ka kire wunua na wunua nso ka kire ne nua se Kumawood Training Institute for de omo kire wade a se bi wako school do so wako school
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Emena sandu hobio
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Emena sandu hobio December 7th Ghana san kotoaba
Kumawood TV amansane
right ebusia sama akwaba Enfamra Sinopi on Kumawood television yeguso edi enkomo eofia ha chairman Inusa Sedu Ashanti Regional Communication Team member of the NPP regional coordinator Hefra eofia ha Benjamin Edi nkomo asen when na NDC of Ata abeka hono na afei etimi atwa nkonetwe no eso ewo aha ede ye hwe two major issues NDC high press conference now the NDC air canon nei and say elections no results no there omonye basabasa bia antum so electoral commission am good results are enya de so mbaje atum ene atum achina I think say normal comment opposition party bia no emeki but then ye be say does the president or the NPP government deserve another ana abayo tisui ehun ya say ensama the second term wonko ana Ghana for sin form ye you free wa we will also be looking at some of Mampeni Nana Akufo-Addo aka say John Dramani Mahama onye obi a was Ghana for gini tum na omoto aba etumi edemano never said that enfama God's Way casket shop say waso ya sebe dwuma de no bremo sanso na enei ade say awoso season 2 no ekoso audition eguso a ekoso tama kwa ba
tama kenya
ya bako
yankupo na adom na
waefe oh is that correct pa
sawo nda si bibiri
correct pa
nda si me design no so me ne natiu
oh okay
ai o tiben o ye NDC ni a na make sure say ma chire no na sisi a wotuba wa repent a bedani MPP wadani MPP aha sisi a menene na ye house to house awo abuabu
wow
awsawasi menene na ye house to house na obia nim se o NDC ni mapa ha but na onya obia obe chire mu e chire ne se NDC nye party papa on say emrebi in February this year Mitro article say NDC is not good for Ghana and can never be good for Ghana.
All right. I was yenche omra yesia yeba tamanusa so asa no we be ja yeba yesia
ena amana da fumo bibira kwa ba samaje mre na samre mo hwemi eyeke nje ha ba ene de time da ba mesha de abadama so na mare fever na eha wonu ato untumi enidi da na ama hono aye mre wonu eye wonyono a bo made na no time da ba mesha ebi bo ra trust e ba so pharmacy show bia kwa wo say over time da ba mesha na wonya bia ebitimi aboa ye woke nje ha ba capsules dura onu no ma aboa man kwamo ano enya hodin esonko ne send da na aboa mo tumi edi yare eso na wonya ke enji haba kapsusu bi any time haba me shan na wokabo na no dia no kwasen send esewani na ensese e ka chiro to make am fosa inu emi edi amount so bi bera mo nwa transfer haba to pharmacy show e bi atun adu ya kwa so pe ke enji haba kapsusu any time haba me sha so for number 0244 417 669 e be that tie phone na the phone na so mo nya da je na mo hwe me din the Dr. Kennedy Usu Ajiman me do bi biara as
if I shop na me sha dia o bag
bra ade enen so biem
na time ba me share me see ba queen why me ense
bra said the time heba me sha esia gimi ni me fiefo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
we dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time heba me sha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time heba me sha
enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi enije no wadra ni time heba me sha edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro de wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time heba me sha edre ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atri de malaria ibi ansa
kayo se time ni TIME time heba me sha afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no ebe tuato
FDA ahwe edwadie nkwato yi mu agi atomo se eye
well all pia we say free mu mo ye den nti meslewa we na fa kokko we hwem na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma me wai
ebusa yenko nkumase
munko nkumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh tell ye
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yan kwetwe ni ahwedan yo ne busu afani asoma me semina me pada e wo kuma se afamara na me se ya chini ye nya da ka yi
na
nansa mu na woda so a wo hia me de wonni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai beduru Ghana ana me na kwabere ntwi wo to nana no ansia do ne eja yi ne bo me so e wo abrede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go casket shop ewu kuma se labor hire me ko ho no